This video will walk you through how you can access the district-wide data from our climate and culture surveys or our most recent social, emotional, and student well-being surveys. The video will also show how you can access that data at the individual student level or at the class level, so that way you can take actions and engage your students in conversations around their reported data. So what you're looking at right now is the dashboard when you land. You'll see North Kitsap School District on the left, and then next to that, you'll see either the school that you teach at, or if you teach at multiple schools, you'll see the multiple schools there. Those are the two main areas that you're going to operate in to look at your survey results at the building or the district level. So if you click into the North Kitsap School District, it will load the data for the district overall. So you can see here the data is loaded. The select a survey to view up at the top will default to the most recent survey, but you actually have access to all of the historical data as well. And so as you scroll down, you'll be able to access this grades 3 through 5 students, and then our 6 through 12 students overall at the district level. If you want to look at the teacher perception of student responses, you can click on teachers and staff and get the same results. Or if you would like to look at all of the responses on one page, you can click there. One view that I have found really beneficial is when you click on the view all questions. So that's going to take you beyond the overall topic categories and allow you to drill down on specific questions, especially if I'm looking at taking some classroom time to address the data or to look at this with the kids. There may be some really good information at the question level data that you'd want to present to your kids. Accessing your building specific data is very similar. Just back from your home dashboard, instead of clicking on North Kitsap School District, you would click on your school that's listed there. The view is just like the district level, only now you're just looking at the data for that building specifically. You can drill down, get down into the topics, and then this is also where you can see the responses, and you can view all questions as well, like the previous screen. Again, you have access to all of our data from the most recent collection all the way back to when we started using Panorama, just by taking these steps and going to these different screens and choosing the survey you want to view. The next option is to access the data at the individual student level. And so to do that, you can either click on the Students button up here, and it will launch the Student Success Dashboard. You can also get to the Student Success Dashboard by clicking on Applications and choosing Student Success. You can also get there from the home page, landing here and clicking on Students. So we'll bounce over to that dashboard. And so this is the overall dashboard for the students that are on your rosters. And so you can see you land here on just the overview. If you click on Students Overview, it will take you deeper into the platform to where you can see the data for all of the students on your roster. So this teacher does have 182 students listed here in the rosters that she would be able to access that data. You can view all students. You can change this drop down and come down and just view your specific students by course. Or if you know a specific student that you want to look up, you can come up here to Find Student and type that student's name. I'm going to use one of my own kids just so we can look at how things look in the dashboard at the individual kid level. So you see here, we're on the individual kid level. You can explore key insights for Gracie using the Uncover Insights. This is an AI enhanced feature within Panorama that we have access to. Or you can scroll down and really start to dive into the detailed information there for the kids. You'll have your academics, then you'll have your assessment data, attendance data, behavior incidents, and then this is where you'll be able to drill down into that SEL information and those skills. As you see here, you can change this drop down to the different collection periods that we've used if you want to look at a longitudinal response. But what I love about this is that it already does that for us in the trend lines based on the responses. And then if you want to drive down even deeper, you can expand this out and you can get down to the specific answers to the questions that the kiddo gave. And so, again, that's how you can use Panorama to access district level and school level climate and culture and SEL data, and then how you can specifically look at any of the SEL data for any of the students that are on your rosters in Skyward. And I hope this helps. And if you need any assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the instructional technology team, and we'll work with you to make sure you can see what you need to see.